Data preprocessing, the process of cleaning, transforming, and organizing raw data into a format suitable for machine learning. This includes handling missing values, encoding categories, scaling features, and removing outliers. Why it matters? Data preprocessing typically takes 60-80% of a data scientist's time. Poor preprocessing is the most common cause of model failure in production. Think of it this way, like preparing ingredients before cooking, washing vegetables, measuring spices, and preheating the oven. The prep work determines the quality of the final dish. For example, cleaning a customer dataset by filling missing ages with the median, converting male female to 0 1, normalizing income values to a 0 1 range, and removing duplicate records.